Hi guys, welcome to Pintright. This is your host Ranveer. Today in this video, we are going to tell you about registration and when you're going to purchase a new machine, a screen printing machine, you should check the registration because with a perfect registration only, you can do perfect prints. Without registration, you can't do because if we are doing in a suppose you are doing a dark color garment, that will require 2 plus 2 coat, and when you put it and do the first coat and again the second coat is not come the same position, your print is destroyed. So this is the must check factor when you buy a screen printing machine. So first of all, that's why we took this machine. This is 4x1 startup press. This is the least price machine in our company in terms of price, and it's the smallest machine in the company. So we'll try with this how the registration is. If it's good, this is good, then obviously the bigger machine will be better than this. So let's start. First of all, we'll tight the frame. After frame is tight, it's tight. I will give some off contact on there. Perfect. Now we start with the print. So we'll take something random cloth sheet or something like that, and we'll put it above this and do the printing. So first we'll go the first stroke, that is 2 stroke. So 2 stroke is done, and we'll go to dry this up. After drying, we go for the next 2 stroke. And remember, next 2 stroke you can't adjust and do, because while you're in the production, you have to do fast and without seeing how you are doing and what you are doing. So there's no time. Just to take it out, lock, print, take it out, lock, print. So there's no time to adjust all the print that is coming in the same place. That is called registration. So we'll give the second coat, 2 and 2, and see, perfect, in the same place position. So this is called registration. You do 100 times up and down without seeing it, and the print comes in the same place. That is called registration. We'll zoom and show you up how registration will work. See, as I show you, the 2 plus 2 stroke is in the same place. See, I show you. We'll do one more stroke. This is the third number stroke. 2, again 2, and see, in the same place. If you want to do one more stroke, let's do it without seeing. Like, this is a 4 stroke. 2 plus 2. Check it up. Same place. This is called registration. So while you buy a machine, this registration should be there. So now you saw how to do the registration. No need to adjust. Take a swipe, take it down, take 2 stroke, and that should become in the same position without adjusting, without looking at the frame. But that is called registration. So you already came to know a registration. You can see same place. We have done more than 10 strokes here. That is what registration is. So whenever you go to buy a printing machine, always you have to check that the registration is perfect or not. Otherwise, you can't do much print. You can't do 2+2, can't do dark garments. So we are the leading manufacturers of all types of garment printing machines. We supply in-house products and our all screen printing materials and all printing materials. In one roof, you will get everything. And in case you want to start a business and you're planning to start a printing business and you don't know how to do printing, then we train you as well. So thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Like our video, subscribe our channel and share it to lots of people so that we can continue making this type of educational videos for you. See you. Bye-bye.